Okay, children, welcome back to our second class. Now, we'll continue from where we stopped few minutes before, okay? Previous class, we are up to here, we reached area of the sector, we finished. What is the area of the sector formula? Yes, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay. Theta how many degree? 90 degree by 360 degree into pi. Look at the question, all of you. In the question it is given, here they are asking us to use value of the pi. What is the value of the pi is given? 3.14, right? In case if they are direct us to do value of the pi, then we have to apply. Otherwise, you can apply 22 by 7. Clear? Okay. So, you have to apply 3.14 or how much? 5 centimeter square, or you can apply directly you can apply 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. 0 0 cancel, 199, 9 how many time? 4 time, 2 how many time? 1 2 sa 2, how much remainder? 1 remainder, point, cannot go 11, 5 2 sa 10, 1 remainder, 7 2 sa 14. Is that now? Okay. Now multiply. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 how much? 25. Into 100 and 157. Multiply all of it. 5 7s are 35, 3 remainder, 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28, 2 remainder, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Next, 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 remainder, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 5, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 remainder, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 3. But after the point, 2 numbers, right? So, right to left 2 digits. So, 39.25 centimeters square. The textbook is so funny, some question they solve completely, some question they half done. So, this question they have completed, so we have to complete. Okay? 1 2 2, 1 2 is 2, 1 remainder 19, 9 2 is 18, 1 remainder 12, 6 2 is 12, 5 2 2 is 4, 1 remainder 5. So, how much? 19.625 centimeter, sorry, it is not a, sorry, it is not a centimeter, okay, it is a meter. It is a meter. So, meter square. Meter into meter, meter square. Okay, children? So, question number 1 is over. We have one more question in the same question. So, please complete first quickly. Question number 2. Question number 2 tells the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Earlier it was 5 meter long rope, now it's become how many meter? 10 meter. That means this length of the rope is little longer, it goes this much. So, length of the rope is equal to, now it is capital R. How many meter? 10 meter. That means the cow can graze the field little longer, little more area it can go and graze. Not the cow, which one? Horse. Again same area of the sector. Theta same, what is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Theta how much? 90 degree, 360 degree into, what is the value of pi already given? 3.14 into how much? 10 centimeter, sorry, meter into 10 meter. Okay. Cancel. 1 times, 4 times, 2 cancel, 2 more times, 1, 1 to 2, 1 remainder, 11, 5 to 10, 1 remainder, 7 to 14, next 1 to 2, 2 more time, 5 times, right? Multiply, 5 7 is 35, 3 remainder, 5, 5 is 25 plus 3, 28, 2 remainder, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Here 1 0 is, so meter into meter, meter square. Understood? Now, sorry, 5 5 is 35, sorry, 5 7 is 35, how much remainder? 2 remainder, 5 5 is 25 plus 5 7 is 35, 3 remainder, 5 5 is 25 plus 3 28, 2 remainder, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 7. Okay? Okay. Now, by 2. Oh, there is no 2, that is all. So, this is the area that horse can graze when the rope is 10 meter long. But our question is, how much more area cross? Increased area. Increased area equal, earlier how much area cross it was? Now 7850, 2 point is a, so 2 point, minus earlier one how much? 19 point, look at the notebook, 19.625 meter square. Now subtract. 625, borrow 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 here, 9 minus 2, 7, borrowed here, how much here? 4 is here, cannot go, borrowed 14, 14 minus 6, 8, how much here? 7, borrowed 17, 17 minus 9, 8, 6 here, 6 minus 1, 5. So, increase area is how much? 58.875 meters square. Okay, children, write first. Now go to question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 tells a brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also made in making 5 diameter with it divides the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in figure. A brooch, this word for some of you may be new to you. It is something like a, ladies when they wear their dress, their clothes are so much designed, unlike the men. Some are circular shape, some are different stature, the flower shape also they keep. The circular shape with the help of some ornaments. So that kind of figure is called here brooch. You can also see your textbooks, the figure is given. Okay. Now, This is made up of silver wire, expensive cloth, silver wire. So, our question is the total length of the silver wire required for making this figure, how much silver wire is needed? It is given, diameter is given. Diameter is how much? 35 millimeter. 35 millimeter. Now, number of diameters. Number of diameters equal to how much? 5 diameters. How many diameters? 5 diameters. Here also there are two questions. One is the total length of the silver wire required. Another one is the, okay, first we will do the total length of the silver wire required. How to find out how many much wire is needed to make a circle? We need wire, yes or no? So, what do you call this one? Tell me, what do you call this one? Yes, yes, which one? Circumference. Plus, we are going to make how many diameter inside? How many diameter? 5 diameter. So, 5 into diameter. So, entire circle, the length, that is circumference, plus the 5 diameter, if you add together, how much comes, that will be the answers. Okay? Circumference is the circumference formula, 2 pi r you can apply, by d also you can apply, pi d plus 5 into diameter. What is the diameter? 35 millimeter. By value is not given. So, you can apply directly. 22 by 7. Diameter how much? 35 millimeter. Multiply. 5 5s are 25, 2 remainder, 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 millimeter. Now, 5, 7 one time, 7 one more time, 5 time. 5 2s are 10, 1 remainder, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 millimeter plus 175 millimeter. Add 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 1, 8, 1 plus 1, 2. So, how much wire is required? 285 millimeter wire is required. Okay? That is the first part of the questions. All of you write the first questions. We have one more questions in it. Second questions. Second question tells the area of each sector of the brooch. Look at the board, all of you. Look at the figure. What do you call this figure? This is radius, this is radius, this is arc. So, what do you call? Sector. Sector number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. There are how many sectors? 10 sectors of equal, right? All the 10 sectors are equal. Now, to find the area of the sector, we need the radius. First, let us find the radius. Radius equal to diameter by 2, that is 35 millimeter by 2. Let it be like this. Don't simplify, okay? If you simplify the calculation, you will face problem. Now, number of sector. How many number of sectors are there altogether? There are 10 sectors. All the 10 sectors are equal. Okay. Now, central angle. Central angle. We have to find out these angles. All the angles are equal because same radius, diameters, right? Okay. So, all together how many degree in the circle? All together how many degree? 360 degree. 360 degree is divided by how many sectors? 10 sectors. So you divide. How much? 36 degree will come. How many degree? 30. So each sector has how many degree? 36 degree. Now we can go find the area of each sector. Area of the each sector. That is, what is the area of the sector formula? Yes, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Again, theta value is not given. So pi value is not given. Yes, okay. But theta how many degree? 36 degree by 360 into 22 by 7 or how much? 35 by 2. 35 by 2 centimeter into 35 by 2 centimeter. 36 one time, 36 10 times, right? 7 one time, 7 one more time, 5 times. 5 one times, 5 one more time, 2 times. Is that no? 2 one time, 2 one time, 11 times. So how much left? 11 into 35. 35, 35. 5, 5, 5, 8, 3. How much? 385 by denominator how much? 2 into 2? 4. Millimeter. It's not a centimeter, it's millimeter. Millimeter. Millimeter square. Okay, children, complete the answers. Now let us go to question number 10. 10 again interesting questions. Day to day life we have seen. Question number 10 tells an umbrella has 8 ribs. All of you have seen the umbrella, right? Which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Is it looks like umbrella? I am not that good in arts. Okay. We have seen, right? If you open the umbrella, it looks like exactly it will not be looks like a circle. Okay? That is why they are telling the question assume. You think it looks like a circle. Slightly different will be there. That's why this like this, that's different will be there. Okay. Now, our question is find the area of between two consecutive ribs. One rib is here. This is one rib. You know what is the rib? That from that middle one long, the small long the iron rod is going, right? That is called ribs. So this is a rib. Okay. Length of the rib. Question number 10. Length of the rib. How much? How much? 45 centimeter. Length of the rib is 45 centimeter. Number of ribs. How many ribs are there? Altogether, how many ribs? Look at the question, all of you. Altogether, how many ribs? 8 ribs, right? Now, the angle, the central angle. Central angle, that is theta is equal 8 ribs means the entire circle is 360 degree divided by 8 because there are 8 ribs. How much? 8 fours are 32. How much remainder? 4 remainder. 40. 8 5s are 45. So 45 degree. Each theta is each angle is how many degree? 45 degree. Now between the two consecutive ribs equal, that is area of the sector. What is area of the sector formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square, right? Theta how much? 45 degree by value given or not? Pi value is not given, right? So 360 degree into 22 by 7 or how much? 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter. 9 can divide, 9 how many time? 5 time, 9 how many time? 9 4s are 36, 0. 5 1 time, 5 how many time? 8 time, 8 5s are 40. 2 can divide, 2, 4 time, 2 how many time? 11 times. I think again no more chance of cancelling. Now you can multiply. 45 into 45. 5 5s are 25. How much remainder? 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. Next, 4 5s are 20, 2 remainder. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. 5, 2, 10, 2. 2 0, 2 5. But again one more number is right, that is 11. Yes or no? Multiply with 11. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 2, same number will come. Again same. 5, 7, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 7, 5. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. By 7 4s are 28. So this is a area of each sector. Okay. Okay children, complete the answer quickly. Now go to question number 11. 11 again interesting questions. In our day-to-day life we have seen this. It tells, question number 11 tells, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter, sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area clean at each sweep by the wiper. You are all going, I am sure majority of your houses have a car. Even if you do not have a car also, sometimes one or other times many times you travel by taxi or by bus traveled. And everybody like to sit whenever, especially when you like to go with your parent, we like to sit in the front seat, right, along with your dad. Because when you sit there, you can see the entire view of the road. Also, you have the that experience when the road is, of course, in Nagaland little bit difficult because, but now it is better. Roads when the road is very smooth and dad is driving the car very fast. We also seen by looking outside the trees are running behind. Do you have the experience and we like to see, right? Also the front view is very nice. And suppose there is a windshield, right, in front view, windshield. This is a windshield. Every day we have seen the car. Every day sometimes your dad asks you to clean your car. You went and cleaned the glass, everything, the windshield, everything, without knowing what you are going to clean. Now I am going to ask you questions. Come on, tell me. This is a windshield of your car. That's a common name. Now, but it's a mathematics class. In mathematical term, what do we call this? Each and every object available in your house has a mathematical name. What do you call this mathematical name? You have learned class 9. Do you remember? Do you remember the word called trapezium? Yes? Yes. What is a trapezium? In trapezium, two sides, one pair, only these two, parallel to each other. Are they parallel to each other? Parallel, I already taught you. Okay? So, this is a trapezium. Now, there is a wiper here. One wiper here, another wiper here. When you are traveling with your father, suddenly train comes, then automatically your father will use the wiper, right? When the wiper is used, our length of the wiper is given. How much? 25 centimeter. How many centimeter? 25 centimeter. Both 25 centimeter. When the length of the wiper is used, the wiper will turn up to here. Am I right? It goes here and again come back. It goes like this, right? It goes like this, isn't it? It will come up to here and I will come back. It will come back. Again, this also. It will go up to here. Again it will back. Yes or no? So, for making these wipers one end to another end, it makes how many degree? 115 degree. 115 degree it makes. Now, our question is how much area both the wipers clean the windshield. Understood? What is the question? Length of the blade. That is R is equal to how much? 25 centimeter. I have just 4 minutes left. I have to do fast, okay, children? Central angle. That is theta is equal to degree? 115 degree. Each clean is equal nothing but what formula? What is the figure? This figure? Area of the sector, right? Sector figure. What is the area of the sector formula? Theta by 360 degree. Look at the question. Is it by value given? By value not given. R square. Theta 115 degree by 360 degree. Little bit long calculation. Follow me. R 25. 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter. Okay, 5 can divide. 5 how much time? 2 times. 2 5 is 10. How much remainder? 1 remainder 11. Sorry, 15. 5 3 is 15. 5 how much time? 7 5 is 35. 1 remainder 10. 72. Next, 2 can divide. 2 how much time? 3 2 is 6. 1 remainder 6 2 is 12. One minute. 115 degree by 360. 5 can divide. 5 2s are 10, 1 remainder 15, 3 5s are 15. 7 5s are 35. How much remainder? How much remainder? 1 remainder. 10, 7, 5 how many times? 2 times. 11, 36. But how many wipers are there altogether? There are 2 wipers, right? So 2 into 1 to 2, how many times? 18 times. So, okay children, 23 into 11 into this much. Okay. Now again we have to multiply with what? 23. Okay. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22, 2 remainder, 3 8s are 24 plus 2, 26, 2 remainder, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 2 5s are 10, 1 remainder, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17, 1 remainder, 12 plus 1, 13. One 5 8 1 2 5 by 7 8s are 56, 5 remainder, 7 1 is 7 plus 5, 12. 1 5 8 1. Okay children, write first. Children, question number question number 4, only one question I am giving homework. Question number 4 I am giving homework. Please do homework, and today's class is getting over. Tomorrow we will meet. Tomorrow again I have 2 classes. So prepare and come with your notebook, textbook, and finish your homework. Okay children, see you tomorrow. Okay.